Electrical Machine 2, code EX501, Unit 1, DC Machine Part 1. In this lecture, we are going to learn about distributed winding design. Various terms that are common to both the closed or open armature winding, categorized under distributed winding, will be described in this lecture. A one-turn always consists of two conductors. A conductor is a part of a turn which takes active part in the energy conversion process the length AB or the length CD in this turn are conductors of a single turn coil. The length BC merely is the end connector which completes the circuit for the turn or a coil but doesn't produce or participate in the energy conversion process. This part is also called as overhang. Conductors AB and CD for this turn are also called coil sides. A coil may consist of any number of turns. One coil has one turn. This coil has two turns. This coil has three number of turns. The number of turns in any particular coil decides its designation. Like a coil having one turn is called one-turn coil. Similarly, the coil may be designated as two-turn coil, three-turn coil, or n-turn coil, depending on whether it has two turns, three turns, or n turns respectively. A multi-turn or n-turn coil is one which has more than one turn. One coil with any number of turns has always two coil sides. Coils connected in series. In this diagram, there are number of coils. Each coil having 3 turns are interconnected in series. Such connections are required when these coils are utilized for winding in various types of electrical machines.